Welcome to Pro Hands Home Improvement, your trusted partner for all things home improvement in Los Angeles. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about HVAC installation costs in 2026. Whether you're upgrading or installing a new system, understanding the costs involved is crucial for planning your budget. Several factors influence the cost of HVAC installation in Los Angeles. Firstly, the size of your home plays a significant role. Larger spaces require more extensive systems. Secondly, the type of HVAC system you choose, central air, ductless, or heat pumps, can impact your overall cost. Additionally, energy efficiency ratings and the complexity of the installation process are key considerations. In 2026, the average cost for a complete HVAC installation in Los Angeles ranges from $8,000 to $15,000. This includes equipment, installation fees, and any necessary permits. High-efficiency systems can push this range higher, up to $20,000, but they offer long-term savings on energy bills. To get the most out of your HVAC system, regular maintenance is essential. Change filters every few months and schedule annual checkups with a professional. Additionally, consider installing a smart thermostat to manage your energy usage more effectively. These steps can extend the life of your system and save you money in the long run. Ready to upgrade your home's HVAC system? Visit ProHandsHandyman.com to explore our services and get a personalized quote today. Our team of experts is here to ensure your home stays comfortable all year round.